Welcome to our kitchen tale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng simple recipe. And it is chop suey. Here are the ingredients. First, we need 5 cloves of garlic, minced. Then, a medium size of onion cut into strips. Then, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour. Then, optional po ang paggamit ko ng chicken cube dahil wala po tayong available na chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then, a cup of water. Lastly, a teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. Siyempre po, yung lulutuin natin ay chop suey. So, we need veggies like baby corn, mushrooms, a bunch of string beans kung meron po, a small size of carrot, a half part of green bell pepper, a half part of sayote, 1/4 part of cabbage, 1 cup of chicken chunks. It's optional po kung anong part ng chicken ang gusto ninyo. Then, 1/4 cup of shrimps. Una po natin gagawin ay i-marinate po muna natin yung chicken chunks sa 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and then 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Ginawa ko po ito upang ang meat po ay hindi magtubig at absorb niya po lahat ng moisture kapag ito po ay isosaute natin. Para naman po sa thickened sauce, i-mix lang po yung water, corn flour or cornstarch, oyster sauce, and brown sugar. Ngayon po, umpisan na po natin ang pagluluto. Gagamit lamang po tayo ng mga 2 tablespoons of oil or olive oil. Then, let's saute the garlic and onion. Kapag maamoy na po yung garlic, pwede na po natin isunod ang onion. Kapag translucent na po yung sibuyas, ilagay na po natin yung chicken. Then, after 2 minutes po, pwede na natin ilagay yung shrimp. Ngayon po, kapag medyo luto na yung mga shrimps, pwede na po natin ilagay yung mga medyo matitigas na gulay or veggies. It's optional po na pwede nyong i-blanch yung mga veggies kung gusto ninyo upang hindi po matagal ang pagluluto. Then, add na po natin yung chicken cubes and then yung ating 1 cup of water with mixture. To give you an info about this dish, chop suey is a dish in American Chinese cuisine and other forms of overseas Chinese cuisine consisting of meat and veggies and bound in a starch-thickened sauce na ngayon po ay marami ng version, but the important is that when we eat chop suey, it's a healthier choice because it's made from a protein source and vegetables. Siyempre po, huwag kalimutan ang salt and pepper. Ngayon po, after a minute or 2, pwede na po natin ilagay yung mga iba pang veggies. Then, i-mix lang po natin. And then, after 1 minute, pwede na po yung ating chop suey. Or, depende po sa lambot ng cabbage. It's up to you po. Pwede rin po tayo maglagay ng broccoli and cauliflower kung meron. Ngayon po, pwede na ang ating chop suey. Ito po yung ating finished product, ang chop suey. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.